Hey kids, it's Good Dog here from Two Dogs Digs and the Craft Facebook group. I thought I'd pop on and do a quick video to show you a tool that I find really useful, particularly when you cannot locate an active internet site for something. And Adam's post earlier today with the hemp baseball cap with the Tragically Hip logo got me to thinking that, hey, this is something that I can show the group about. So I'm kind of excited to show you how I actually found information about the hat that might give a bit more context. And it kind of dovetails with Michael's information as well. So to start off with, if you go to your web browser and go to the Internet Archive, you can either type Internet Archive into Google or you can go to archive.org. Once you're there, look for the logo that says Wayback Machine, and in the text box beside it, type in the website that you want to look and see if it's been archived. I did that for the ecolution.com website, which was on the tag inside the hat. And as you can see, it was archived, which is kind of cool. And they actually saved 593 different versions of the site or different days that the site was active, which is kind of cool. So if you look across the bar, sorry, let me go here. If you look across the bar, you can see all of the different times that this site was grabbed. And down below, I've got 1996 highlighted here, and down below, it's got a calendar. And that calendar will have little blue dots and other colored dots on dates when the archive was done. So one was done November 3rd and another on the 19th. So if you hover over a blue dot, you can see that there's a snapshot and the timestamp that the snapshot was done. Some days they did more than one snapshot, so you might have two or three. Pick one and see what it shows you. I'm going to go to November 3rd, 1996, which happens to be the very first snapshot for the site. And to do that, I'm going to hover over the three. I'm going to slide over and click on the timestamp. And boom, here is the website. And this is the way that it would have looked when it was live in 1996. And man, they're not very pretty websites, but that's beside the point. So coming down here, I noticed that there was a link to the different products that they offer, and there is a link for hemp hats and caps. I clicked on it, and lo and behold, it showed me the range of hats that they were actually producing and selling from their website, and likely before the website was established, in November of 1996. And if you look closely, in the upper left-hand corner, there is a blank hemp hat that really closely matches the one that Adam posted, which is kind of cool. I went further down the page and it actually has a link to the hat and cap prices. I clicked on it and that page was also archived. And it was the plain baseball cap in the upper left-hand corner, and here is the pricing. It was actually retailed for $17.95, and I'm assuming it's US because this is a US website. So there you go. It was like 18 bucks US in 1996, and the timing does align with Michael's suggestion that it was mid to late 90s. So hopefully you find this interesting. Let me know, comment below, and Good Dog out.